Huawei P30 Pro. They say it has the best camera in the world. Let's unbox it. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what's on the box. Usual things. Okay. Color breathing crystal, but I order the opal crystal. Which one? This one, opal. Not crystal, just the opal. Well, let's open it. Let's see what's inside, because I'm curious. Is the color right? This is my tonto katana. Yes. Satisfaction. Let's put it aside because it's very sharp. Okay. Open it. Bam. Huawei design. There's the phone. Yeah, the color is right. Let's put it aside. Let's see. Oh, this is the email information sticker. So I will not show you this. Tray for the phone. What's this? This is the SIM card tool. A lot of manuals. But we don't get a cover. No cover in my country. Why? Huawei, why? I got no cover. I was hoping for a free cover, but no, nothing. Let's put this aside. We have here USB Type-C cable, QR code. I pause the video if you want to read this. Scan this. Simple USB cable. Earbuds, which also has the QR code. Oh, come on, focus camera. USB Type-C earbuds. And a huge charger, which is fast charger, 40 watts. So this is the very fast charger, extremely fast charger. And there's the phone itself. Ooh, smashing. Oh my god. This is looking nice. Look at the vibes, look at the colors. Amazing colors. They're just insane. How good looking this is. Insanely good looking. Wow. That's the front of the device. You can see. It's very clean. It will never be that clean anymore because it's a fingerprint magnet. I can see it already. We have, I think it's an air blaster, microphone, power button, which has this red thing. That's the volume button. Nothing on this side. SIM card tray, USB Type-C, and the speaker, and the little notch here. And the second speaker is built in the screen, like in a new Sony OLED TVs. Yeah. This phone has 4 lenses. Main one is 40 megapixels with 1.6 light and iOS. The second one is 20 megapixels with 2.2 light with no iOS, and the telephoto lens is 3.4 light and with EOS, optical image stabilization. And the last one here, the small one, is TOF, time of flight, to measure the distances. It has laser focus and all kinds of extreme technology. I can see the last lens is like a periscope. That's the mirror here. That's not the lens here in the last one. it's the mirror. So the light goes here, straight to the mirror and goes to the right. So the lens is here, so it's like going this way and through you, like this and like this. It's a periscope lens. Like, let's turn it on. There it is with the very, very nice wallpaper. I like this wallpaper. Very smooth. So which one looks better? This is Galaxy S10. Come on, Huawei. Look at the screens. Look at the two beautiful screens. The best in the market now. What about the back? The back looks better in the Huawei. Must say those colors are insane. Both those phones has reverse wireless charging. So what will happen? Turn it on. 68%, 52% on. I think the phone with the less battery will charge. They're both charging. Very strange. Well, the camera. Oh man, look. Let's do the knife. Oh man, the quality. I can see the quality already. Insane. That's 40 megapixels. Oh man. What is important when you set your camera for 40 megapixels? Zoom or wide angle is not supported. I'll make some dark photos. Look at the difference here. You cannot see almost anything in Galaxy phone, and it's in full brightness. And in Huawei, you can see something. Now compare this. You can read what's on the sticker, and in here, no, nothing. That's the difference here. The phone has some shortcuts here. When we do this, when we cover the lens, it will tell you do not cover the lens. When we'll do this, we have a shortcuts here. We have a rain now. I'm all wet. Let's see the fingerprint sensor. Is it going to work or not? Sorry, in rain, you will not unlock this phone with the fingerprint sensor. Now Galaxy S10 with the same conditions. Struggle, but unlock it. Do it again. Struggle, but unlock it. Let's try send photo with a MacBook 30 via NFC, of course. You just hold it and it goes all the way, just like that. Audio. Unfortunately, the second speaker, which is behind the screen, doesn't work with multimedia. It's only working for callings and yeah, stuff like that. Not for multimedia. If you fire the YouTube, there's only one speaker working, only this one. So mono sound in YouTube. First impression is amazing. Very small notch. I appreciate it. A bit chin here, just a little bit. I don't know, can you see it now with this wallpaper? Not really. With this one, not really. Well, let me unlock it. Like you can see, a little bit of chin here. Beautiful screen, beautiful color, and you can do the magic trick with it. Ta-da!